Good afternoon, it's Imran from Car Sound Security. We'd just like to share an install we've just done on this BMW 3 Series 2018. What we've done is we put yet another StarLine S96 which has phone notifications, text alerts, app notifications, tracking, alarm system with multiple sensors, shock, motion and tilt sensor. So how it works is you've got this tag which I've got in my fingers here. Unless you've got this tag, the vehicle won't unlock. So therefore, if there's a high-tech thief who's grabbed your keyless, your key, frequency, etc., and open the door, the alarm will go off because the tag's not present. The tag can be hands-free, so you don't need to press the little button just here, or you can have it on a button press. We've got it on a button press for demonstration purposes. So, and it's also linked to your phone, so as I said, it will give you notification. It's also got tracking on there as well. So I've got Richard just over here. He's got the keys, and what he's going to do is he's going to unlock the car as if someone's got your frequency, and you'll see the alarm go off and it will call me shortly. Go for it, Richard. Alarm going off, hazard lights going off. So, and it's also on here, sorry, you've probably got a sun glare there, it's calling me as well. So if I just answer that, put it on speakerphone, you may be able to hear it. So it's saying door open. Okay, so how we reset it, if I just give Richard the tag, he's just going to press it to deactivate it. So the first one is to acknowledge the alarm's been gone off. If you press it again, Richard, okay, and just drop the windows. So basically also it has total closure. So if Richard just closes the door and just presses the tag, it will actually lock your all the doors, and the windows will go up as well, and everything will be locked as well. So total closure on there. We're doing absolutely loads of these alarm systems on all types of vehicles and commercial vehicles. So if you're interested in finding out more information, then give us a call on the video or the contact details after this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.